Hello everyone. Presented here is the MachiNet platform based on Toshiba Machine's IoT+m concept. Toshiba Machine is one of few machine makers that can manufacture from precision machines to large-size machines in consistent manufacturing. Combining our comprehensive technical capability comprising abilities of casting, machining, assembly, control system development, and substantial services with IoT and AI, we will provide solutions to contribute to the future. MachiNet is a platform to realize Toshiba Machine's IoT concept, IoT+m. MachiNet will provide smart machines to digitize changes in events to ensure machining quality. Production optimization can be achieved according to each facility's conditions by maximizing production throughput based on IoT collected data and cooperating with upper computer. MachiNet will improve productivity with automation and intelligence, solve labor shortages, and prevent sudden machine stop through predictive maintenance. And distributed production facilities will be managed in an integrated way to realize quality improvement and stability. MachiNet will integrate and store digitized machine information into the edge computer to provide visible vibration and other data on the dashboard. It will also prevent sudden failures by monitoring aging parts with vibration sensors. Data from sensors and other devices, as well as peripheral equipment, will be added and analyzed coordinatedly for leading to more stable machining quality, reduced power consumption, and improved productivity. Production and other data on the dashboard can be managed in an integrated way from anywhere. Data analysis and diagnosis will also help predict machine degradation and failures. This predictive maintenance provided to you will allow for periodical maintenance prior to failures, resulting in improved productivity. The vibration sensor monitoring feature will compare collected information with data from normal machines to detect abnormalities. Monitoring of machine operations and power consumption cuts standby power and improves the operating rate. Temperature control leads to machining quality improvement and stability. Such various remote control features will help manage distributed production facilities. Integrated and stored data can be extracted as necessary to be used for customers' upper computer by the OPC-UA Open Communications Standards. Coupled with the MES, ERP, and AI systems, MachiNet will optimize production at customers' plants. Toshiba Machine will continuously contribute for various smart facilities and valued maximization at customers' plants through such efforts as visibility, analysis, and use of AI.